Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you custom helpers in Laravel, how you can create custom helpers and you can use it in your project. So helpers is also a great way to optimize your code and you can make your code reusable using helpers. So in this video I'll be showing you how to create a helper file and how to use it into your project. So let's get started with today's video. So here you can see web.php file, that is a root file. So here you can see base URL is going to contact controller index function. So let's go to controller and here you can see in the index function nothing is done, it's just that function is written here right now. So inside this I'll be calling my helper function. So before that let's start by creating helper file. So now let's create a folder helpers in app folder, and inside that let's create a new file, that is helpers.php file. So inside this file you can write your functions here and you can call these in your functions wherever you want that code to be used. So before creating function we will be checking one condition, that if function exists then only write this function, otherwise don't repeat that function. It's like already we have written, we again write it, so it should not conflict. Like only one time function should be there with that name. So write if inside that write function exists, and let's say function name, so let's say fn check value. So inside that if condition write function same name fn check value, and as a argument I'll be passing one value. So I'm going to create a function just to check a value is greater or lesser, that's it. So just a normal function I'm going to create. So inside function write return and write one if condition that value should be greater than. I'm just writing any random value, let's say 191, and the question mark greater colon lesser. So it's a ternary operator that I'm going to use. Similar way. So similar way you can create a function for, let's say, email validate, and you can also create any other form field if you want to validate. So now let's see how to load this file into your project. So I'll be going for auto loading. So let's go to composer file, composer.json. So here inside auto load you can see the key for auto load. So inside this I'll be adding a new key, that is for files. This will be an array or type. So inside this write the path, that is app helpers and helpers.php file. So basically inside this path with file which you want to load, you will be passing here. So now final step is left, that is to use this function. So let's go to our contact controller and in index function. So write, let's say, let's take a variable result, and so let's copy the function name and paste here and call the function. So with function call, I need to pass one parameter here. So let's say I'm going to pass value 10 only, and let's print the result. So before checking helper is working fine or not, so one thing we need to do is we need to dump autoload of composer. As we have loaded our file in autoload, so we need to again initialize autoload files. So for that run command composer dump autoload. So after this let's start our project. So write php artisan serve, and now let's go to browser and refresh. So now you can see lesser is printed. So our helper is working fine. As you can see 10 is lesser than 191. So let's change the value. So now check. So you can see greater. So 1000 is obviously greater than 191. So that's how you can create a helper and use it. So I have shown you a very basic example. So if you have any doubt, you can comment down in the comment section. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.